Hello everyone, welcome to yet another new vlog wherein I'll be showing you the unboxing of my Canon EOS M50. Watch it till the end, it could be useful for you. Canon M50 is a mirrorless camera with 24 megapixel sensors inside it. It is an all-round tool for better photography and also the video quality. What makes it different from others is its Digit 8 processor. It gives the best image of all time with these sensors. We get more of autofocus points, eye detection, autofocus system, and which is very well designed for the beginners. It is a great tool for the YouTubers, vloggers, and also people who love photography and want to explore with their cameras. Canon M50 has mirrorless lens and it is EFM lens. They are APS-C sized sensors and they are able to capture very good picture quality and the autofocus is really great. The 22mm lens are the best. They are really small and have great aperture of f2. You can get good depth of the image and the spec on this camera is really good. It's APS-C size sensor. It's 24 megapixel sensor from the ATD and it's got dynamic range of performance. It has this selfie flip screen which is really helpful to take the selfie pictures and also videos. With the touch screen and EVF, we can change the focus points. It's really helpful. This is the battery charger. You can fix the battery into this device and then charge it once it's used. Canon M50 uses LPE12 batteries. You get 30 minutes of video record time for a battery. I would recommend you to go on Amazon and buy a spare battery so that you won't run out of battery when you're outside shooting for something. Few more accessories, the adapter and also the strap. The EFM lenses of this Canon camera are really good for the better video quality. When I say video, it is 1080p video. It's got better autofocus and the noise performance is really excellent. They are APS-C sized sensors. The 1080p and 60 frames per second is really good, and sometimes you can actually slow it down to 24 frames per second if you need a slow motion. Even when you're shooting in the low light, its performance is good. You can also keep it in the silent mode and take videos and photographs without the flash sound. If you have noticed, I tried shooting with this Canon M50 in the broad daylight and also in the night light inside the shopping mall, and I must say I'm really convinced and satisfied with the picture quality, the sound effects and also the zoom effect. So for me it's a thumbs up. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rita's Diaries. If you like the video which you watched before, do like my video on YouTube and also subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.